else. Like, I feel like I'm saying the same exact thing. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Hi. Hello. You know what I mean? Like, boring. So, welcome back. Anyway, I'm going to be doing this look today. So if you want to know how to achieve this look, then please keep on watching. So the first thing that I did is I'm going to conceal the whole of my eye as a base with my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NC30. And I like to sort of just press that out with my finger. Right, so once that is done, I'm then going to take my Morphe palette in 35. I don't know if that's an O or a 0, but that one anyway. I'm going to use this light colour here just to set the base of the concealer. This colour right here, and I'm just going to go in the crease of my eye with that colour. The next colour I'm going to use is a very dark maroon sort of colour. Once I've done that, I'm then going to take a very dark brown colour. Sorry. And with that, I'm just going to go in the crease line just a little bit. It's kind of really dark, so I don't want to apply too much. I just want to add a little bit of depth to my eyes. So I'll just go in with that. Get a cherry colour, and I'm just going to blend that in with the dark colour that I just used. Right, then once I've done that, with my Morphe 12S palette, they're like really like metallic-y eyeshadows. I'm going to be using this colour right in the middle. Then in the corner of my eyes, I'm then going to add a little bit of my MAC Double Gleam highlighter. My makeup is like not complete unless I have a little bit of like glow in the corner of my eyes, under my eyebrows. Like it completes every single look. Now that's done, I'm then going to pop on my eyelashes, and once again I'm going to do that off camera. Once I've added my lashes, I'm then going to go in with my Maybelline Matte Waterproof Liner, and I'm just going to line the top of my lash line there. Alright guys, so now that my eyes are done, I can then go in with my face. So the first thing we're going to use to prime my face is this I think it's Jordana. One of those. And this is a pore refining face primer. So I'm just going to add a little bit of that to my face. So for colour correct, I'm going going to use my NYX Colour Correct in medium for dark circles. And I'm just going to pop that under my eyes. And I'm also going to pop some around my mouth and my nose area because I get a little bit dark around there. I'm going to go in with my Kiko Unlimited foundation in the colour Warm Beige. And I'm just going to pump some of that onto my beauty blender. Contour, I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Conceal in Cocoa, I think this colour is. In Cocoa. And I'm just going to apply that to my cheekbones, my nose and forehead and my lower jawbone. Creamy concealer in the colour Macadamia. Blend out my concealer now, but I'm going to wet my sponge first of all. Then to set my concealer, I'm going... Concealer? Wow. See, I'm getting ahead of myself now. Then to set my concealer, I'm going to use my RCMA translucent powder. This powder literally does go everywhere, so like, just be careful. Wait, it is really good though. This is like one translucent powder that I really like. I brought a translucent powder from NYX the other day. Well, not the other day, quite a while ago, but I tried it the other day, and when I put it on, like my face, I looked like a ghost, like, you guys didn't just see that. Oh my god. I've just got the powder and like threw it all over me. Once I've set my concealer, I can go in with my Dark Deep Mineralised Finish Powder by MAC. Underneath, and I'm going to be using this colour right here. So for a highlighter, obviously I'm going to use my iconic London Illuminator drops. Literally everybody that watched my last tutorial was like, oh my god, I need those drops. Oh my gosh, how much of that I need it. They are actually the best things ever, like, they're really good. And I'm going to blend that out with my sponge. Drop on the end of my nose here. And blend that in as well. My NYX lip liner in the colour Mahogany. Then for lipstick, I'm going to use my matte. Oh, holy moly, it's rubbed off. Okay, I have no idea what this colour's called, but I'm going to find out and I'll link it in the description box below. But it's like another mahogany colour. And it's in matte, so I'm going to apply that to my lip. To set my face, I'm going to go in with my Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, cucumber and green tea. This smells so nice. Ooh. Oh, it smells lovely. So guys, that is the end of the tutorial. If you've liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, and if you have any feedback or any video suggestions, please let me know in the comment box. I hope you guys have a really fab day, and I'll see you in my next video.